Okay, so first, just before we get started, I want you guys to look at the materials you have around them. We're working with live electricity today, so you need to make sure that you're being very careful not to play so that we don't hurt each other or shock each other. Otherwise, I'm going to have you sit to the side. Okay? So the first thing that I want to show you guys is what an open circuit is. This right here is an open circuit. Is the light bulb turned on?
No.
No. So if a circuit is open, that means electricity is not flowing through it. Okay? So I want you guys to remember that. Now what happens when I close the circuit? Like this.
Nothing.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. What happens?
It lights up.
It lights up. That's right. So if the light is on, then what does that mean?
That means
It's a
closed
circuit.
It's a closed circuit.
It's a closed circuit, so the electricity is flowing through all the wires in a circle. Okay, the electricity goes from the battery through the wires, through the metal washer, and to the light bulb, and then that electricity goes back through and it circulates through. Okay, so if a circuit is open, that means no electricity.
Electricity is circulating.
And then if it is closed,
Electricity is
circulating. And what makes this closed?
The washer.
The
light bulb.
It's all connected. Exactly. It's all connected. It's closed. But the second we take this clip away, we're opening it, and it takes the electricity away from the light bulb. Okay. All right. So we're going to talk about conductors and insulators. A conductor is an object that allows electricity to flow through it. Okay. A washer is a conductor because when you close the circuit, the electricity goes from the battery, through the wire, through the washer, through the wire to the light bulb, okay? But if I put something else in there, like this piece of paper, it's a closed circuit, but is the light bulb on?
No.
Why is the light bulb not on, but it's a closed circuit?
It's not a conductor.
It's not a conductor, okay? If it is not a conductor, then we call it an insulator. Okay, are there any questions?
No.
No? Okay. So then what we're going to do next is I'm going to pass out these pieces of paper, and it's got two columns on it. This one has the light bulb lit up, and this is where you're going to write down all of your conductors, okay? There's different objects all over your table. You've got cloth lanyards, you've got metal washers, plastic paper clips, plastic forks, a set of keys that has metal and plastic on it. You've got a pencil with rubber. You've got rubber erasers, clips, wooden sticks, a ruler, a wooden spoon, all kinds of different things, okay? You're going to test out the objects on your own. There's only 2 circuits, so we're going to be very careful and take turns, one at a time, and you guys can write down other people's. So if Brenda's testing something, then her shoulder buddies, Araceli and Victoria, can write down what she tested also so that you can get more information, okay? If it's a conductor, then you write it in the column with the light bulb that's lit. If it's an insulator, you write it in the column with the light bulb that is not lit. If you need help spelling words, I've written all of our materials on the board for you so you can look and find them, okay? All right, so here is all your worksheets.
Can I have a purple marker?
And yes, there's utensils in the middle that you can choose to test, and you can also write with them. Just don't put your wire on the ink part of the marker, please. And let me give you guys your wires.
What? You want which one? I'm scared.
Oh, you already have them.
It's lit.
Okay.
Not glue.
So we're gonna take turns with the wires, okay? We're all sharing. Sharing is caring. Okay.
Sharing is caring.
Alright, so give it a try. I want to see you guys test different objects, okay? Very good. So,
Which one are we testing for?
that's for conductors.
I want to do the
Metal
ruler.
clip. So which one? Like the metal clip?
No, it's metal.
it's not a
Insulator.
conductor, it's an
But it
insulator.
has
Very
metal
good.
right here.
Well, you have to get both of the pieces of wire on just the metal parts for it to work. Yeah, the wood ends up insulating that.
Oh, but you.
Oh, it's disconnected.
Well, no wonder it didn't work.
That's what the problem was in Indigo.
Trying to.
Okay, I'm the same thing.
I had
So
no
ruler? Ruler? Wooden. Wooden ruler. Wooden.
Okay, so the plastic
No.
fork. There's no light. So the plastic fork is
Can we try
insulated.
Very good.
the washer?
Yes, you guys can ask and exchange materials. They're all there for you guys to try out together.
Well,
C.
let's try the fork.
Did I go?
Yes. The current is not very strong.
I don't know.
There you go.
That's a big fork.
Miss, you think it's the wires?
This is have three, right?
There you go.
Uh-oh. Yay.
So we're just
Oh,
gonna,
it's disconnected.
if the metal part that's connected to the batteries comes out, then just be very careful and place it right back in, okay?
So,
Victoria, wait.
And just a quick question, so how come when the metal part fell away from the battery, how come the light bulb went out?
Open the circuit.
It opened the
I
circuit,
want
exactly.
to
wouldn't let the-
do
the electricity.
Yeah, it didn't let the electricity
So
flow
you
through the
can, you
wires.
can connect
the
the
popsicle stick.
circuit either
Which one?
from that side
What
or
color?
this side and it will,
You can connect
you
this.
can open it and close it from this side too?
You can open the circuit from any point. So if I wanted to take a pair of scissors and just cut the wires, then I open the circuit like that. So you can open the circuit from any point.
What is
They're
that
not.
called? Popsicle stick? Oh. Hey, sir, I'm just putting what is.
Okay, let's try.
I'm gonna give you guys about 30 more seconds to try a few more,
What happened?
Let's try
maybe
this one.
40 seconds if you need
We're
it.
gonna try this part first.
You gonna do this one?
Yeah. Which part? Which part?
The bottom.
So,
Oh wait, that's not it.
No.
You can even try the marker box, you can try your clothing. Don't try yourself,
no, which on top?
it's not a good
But
idea.
I wanna try this part now.
What is the first bit?
You want to
Maybe we should try the black again, since it didn't.
Yeah, look, it did.
The metal part.
Okay, well, we gotta say the metal part.
Yeah,
How do we
there,
break it down?
if your object has more than one piece, for example, the keys have metal and plastic. So if you have something that has more than one piece, you need to specify what part you tested. So if you
I would
tested,
call that like
know,
that.
metal
Metal
part,
metal
metal part.
thing, like the hinges?
The inches?
I don't know, don't.
you can put the metal part of the clip and the plastic part of the clip, either way.
Top part of the clip?
Alright, go ahead and finish up the last, object that you're testing, one more. You got time for one more. Not your friend, okay, that's, no, you can do her shirt, but not her.
What conductor that she is?
'Cause you might have.
Oh. Come on. Still a close circle.
Okay, so if I could have your attention really quick, we're just gonna sum up what we talked about. So what did you notice about all of the items that you wrote down in your conductor's box? What were they made of?
They're
Metal.
They're all metal. Very good. What did you notice about the side or the objects in your insulator's box?
Wood, plastic,
Plastic.
Rubber.
Clothing.
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 Stuff that's not metal, right?
yes.
So if you were at home and you're trying to make electricity flow through something, is it gonna flow through, I don't know, your wooden wall, if you had a wooden wall?
No.
No.
No, it wouldn't, okay, but would it flow through, your necklace?
Yes.
Yes, if your necklace
If it's
is metal.
metal.
Yeah, if you have a plastic necklace though, then it wouldn't. So yeah, that's about it. Are there any questions?
No.
No? Okay, so what I want you to do is when you go home tonight, I want you to look at, some things at home. Don't plug anything in or do anything. Just look at some things remember back to your assignment that metals are conductors and other things are insulators. And I want you to tell me what kind of things you have in your home tomorrow that are conductors and insulators. You can make a list, you can draw some pictures, you can do whatever you wanna do that lets me know you've got stuff at home that's conductors and insulators, okay?
Okay.
Okay.